Hi, it's Mike Ferry. 22, 23 years ago, we started doing something that has been a big thing within my company. We started doing an annual toy drive the first part of December to help kids in the community for Christmas. There are unfortunately so many children that don't get to have the excitement, the joy, and the fun of getting a couple nice toys at Christmas. So we thought it'd be fun to do something, and we started doing either a half day or a 1 day or a 2 day seminar in Orange County, California, around the first part of December. So this year, on December 10th and 11th, yours truly, Mike Ferry, is going to do a 2 day listing high-intensity workshop. We're going to spend 2 days working on how do we become great listing agents in 2020. And we're going to invite everybody in the country that wants to attend, knowing that 99% of the people attending will come from LA, Orange County, Ventura, Santa Barbara, San Bernardino, Riverside, San Diego, etc. And then we're thrilled to have you there. We've got a room that is designed to hold 500 salespeople. As of today, we already have about the first 150 people have already registered and bought a ticket. I'm charging the huge fee of $95 for the 2 days to be with me. Plus, we have to have you bring an unwrapped toy for a child. Now, unfortunately, we can't allow any more stuffed bears and stuffed animals. The law won't allow us to give those out to children. So it's, with crazy laws today, we got to live with that kind of stuff. December 10th and 11th, the Anaheim Hilton, a beautiful facility, very, very nice, right near Disneyland, right off the freeway. So 2 days with myself on how to list property, entry fee $95, and a toy for a child. The last couple of years, we've probably donated 650 to up to 1,000 toys. This year, the recipient is going to be the Ronald McDonald House. They do a great job at helping kids. So we're inviting you to participate. More importantly, we're inviting you to do something to help somebody else, which is a child that probably is not going to have as nice a holiday as you and I may experience. December 10th and 11th, Anaheim Hilton. Call our office today, 702-692-6260. Call my office, something like that. I don't know what the number is half the time. And get you registered, and we'll see you there. Thanks for taking a minute watching this little promotion on the toy drive. See you later. Bye-bye.